Chill lang tayo, guys.
Belly piercing. Yan. My beautiful best. Tingnan natin kung sino mas pantay. Yung sa'yo, isa.
Yung iba daw yung naihimatay.
Talaga ba?
Hindi ka naihimatay.
Tingin ka sa likod mo, ang daming nakatingin.
Candy.
Kung pakalmad mo.
Come on, guys.
Welcome to my vlog.
Ngayon ko lang ito gagawin dyan.
Ayan na. So cute. Ayan yung masakit eh. Oh my God.
Already. It's okay. 1%.
Yeah.
After.
Oh.
Hindi pala masakit.
Hindi. Ayan lang, yan lang.
Ayan lang.
Ayun lang. Naramdaman mo yan, di ba?
Para sa mga pagpasok na.
Pero, yun lang, oh. Pero kasi parang namanhid ka na dun sa ano eh. Tsaka yan. Okay na. Yay! Ang galing naman yun. Topong yun.
High school ko pa to eh.
High school dream mo pa yan.
Ikaw lang nagpapad. Thank you. This is my high school dream, sister. Since high school, I want to have piercing. Bili tayo ng bong. You went so, you shop. Balik natin.
Sister?
In like that.
Okay, sister.
After water and after tissue.
Okay, sister.
Have like this, sister. Can we buy? No.
Just alcohol, sister.
Alcohol only. Yeah, alcohol, water, shots.
No seafood, no beef.
Yeah.
Ay, bawal lang seafood, bawal lang beef. Thank you so much, sister. Daya mo ah.